everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because my Boxycharm is here, so let's go ahead and do an unboxing. And I didn't put on that much makeup, I just have like some foundation and a little bit of contour that I can't live without, and that's it. So I want to see if I can like try on as many products as I can as I do the unboxing, so let's get right into it. The theme for this month is alter ego, which I think is amazing because I actually did a post on my blog about my dark side, like my alter ego today. What a coincidence. So I think that's really fun. We have a lot of really fun and exciting products that I just peeked at. We're so spoiled. The first thing in my box is an IT Cosmetics Mascara. We all know IT Cosmetics is amazing. This is the Superhero Mascara. And I actually just did a best and worst mascara video where I highlighted all of my all-time favorite mascaras. So I'll go ahead and link that down below if you want to see some of my mascara favorites. The next thing is a Kat Von D full-size everlasting liquid lipstick, and I can totally try this on. I didn't do my lipstick on purpose because I was pretty sure I would get a lipstick in my video. The shade is Bow and Arrow. And the good thing about this lipstick, I'm actually going to put the one that I got in my Boxycharm right back in here, and I'm going to add this to my next giveaway because I actually already have one of my own, but I'm going to put it on for you guys anyway. I actually love this color. It's like a perfect nude. Okay, so now my lips are on. What do you guys think? I'm obsessed. I've been loving this color. It's definitely the best liquid lipstick color from Kat Von D. So I'm really excited I got another one. I'm still good on my personal one, so this will be given away so you guys can try it if you're not subscribed to Boxycharm. If you are, you're getting one of these, so that's exciting. Moving right along, we have a Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream from Ahava. I've never heard of this brand before. I do love a hand cream. I'm a little bit disappointed because I feel like this isn't like a full-size product. It is a hand cream, so I guess it's a little bit smaller since your hands are like a small space on your body, but it's still a little bit small, so I'm a little bit disappointed. And I'm peeking into my box because the next thing is a Don't Despair Repair Moisture Leave-In Mask, and this also isn't really full-size, so I don't know what's going on Boxycharm. I know the boxes are smaller and they always talk about full-size products, so I don't know. This doesn't look full-size to me, but I love this line. Don't Despair Repair is an amazing like collection from Briogeo, and I also love their clarifying charcoal shampoo, which gets everything out of your hair. So yeah, just a little thing on Briogeo. And the last thing is a palette. Okay, so I feel like they're gonna make up for... Yeah, they just made up for this. They just made up for the two small products because we got a full-size palette from Pure Cosmetics. This is the Midnight Masquerade palette. Trying to get the tape off so we can see what's inside. You guys, this is so gorgeous. This palette opens up like a book, and I love that it's double-sided. You have your face things over here and your eye things over here, and this is the exact reason why I didn't do much of my makeup. So let's go ahead and try on this palette. I'm gonna get my brushes and I'll be right back. Okay, so going into this palette, I was really excited about it, but now that I'm like really looking at it, I don't know if it's as great because I'm noticing that all of these colors except for the chocolate brown are all shimmers. So we're a little bit limited with our options. I'm just gonna take a little bit of this brown color and I'm just gonna smoke out the outer corners of my eyes. Okay, so I'm having a little bit of trouble blending out the outer corners with this formula. I'm going to go ahead and take this color Exposed, which is like a really like silver color. I'm going to put it on my lids with my fingers. And it's going on really, really pretty with my finger as well. So there's that. Just to buff out like that brown that just went on so sloppy, I'm going to use this color here, Enchantment, and I know it's supposed to be like for your contour or for your face, but I'm just going to go ahead and put it on top of that brown just to buff it out. You know, pigment is pigment. It's a face palette, so we're just going to use those colors wherever we want to. And I'm finding that it's blending a lot easier now. So now let's see this blush shade in action. I love peachy blushes. This has a little bit of like a highlight shimmer to it, so I think it'll be really, really pretty. Yikes, you guys. It's going on so pink. You guys, I actually think I hate this palette. I look like a clown. That color was terrible. Like, worst idea ever. Let's see how the highlight will work. Last one. Hopefully it's better than that blush. I'm seeing a little something. I don't know, you guys. You let me know what you think in the comments below. I don't think this is my favorite palette based on what I'm seeing. The formula is not that great and the color selection is pretty bad. Alright, so that was my Boxycharm unboxing. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.